IVR, but still shocking and still exciting for us here at the Weather Network to talk about them because snow in Vancouver, it is still considered rare. Look at Ucluelet, 32 centimeters of snow. Some unofficial numbers out of Squamish, so just north of Vancouver, almost 50 centimeters of snow. Right now at YVR, 11, 19. As we look at Abbotsford, a pretty impressive system. It certainly did deliver. And guess what? We're already talking about the next one, the next storm. Not so much for British Columbia, though. No, this one is for Ontario. Started with that Pacific moisture. A system then formed in Colorado, and now a Colorado low looming and moving into the lower Great Lakes. So Environment Canada has issued a special weather statement. And if you can stay with us, we're going to be timing out this storm with you. Rachel Modestino is going to be joining us. Rain, snow, mixing, a whole bunch of stuff associated with this one. It's going to be a bit of a mess Monday and in through Tuesday. Now, I just want to get you temperatures. Light flurries flying in the nation's capital this morning. We also have some light snow up and down the St. Lawrence. Quebec City is going to sparkle today. A little cold at -10. Montreal at -7. And speaking of cold, Atlantic Canada, you are stuck in this really cold forecast, -13 in St. John's. Now, for you in southern Ontario, it's quite mild. We're getting up to 7 degrees today with sunshine in Windsor. The sunrise was just beautiful this morning. You can really feel that the days are growing longer and longer. It's quite exciting. But winter is not over. Environment Canada has issued a special weather statement. This is widespread across southern Ontario, and it's for the next storm that's coming in. It's not going to be as intense as the ice storm we experienced last week. However, it has some similar characteristics. So I want to time this one out for you. This is a snapshot Monday just after lunch. You can see southwestern Ontario starting to get into it. It will be cold enough for snow to start, but we will transition into a little bit of mixing. As the system moves into the GTA, this is timed for the rush hour drive home. Looks like we will have widespread snow even down into the Niagara region, but you can see that rain is so close pushing into Niagara, the snow is not going to last. As warmer air starts to filter in with this system, we are talking rain essentially across the GTA, down into London, down into Windsor. But before we fully transition into rain, periods of some mixing, maybe even a little ice, Kitchener, Guelph, Dundalk Highlands. It's another complicated one. And then you can see Ottawa. Tuesday afternoon, you're still into the snow with this. So an active pattern, it continues for the lower Great Lakes, essentially system after system. You can see, but still above seasonal as we look at the end of February. March is here, by the way, on Wednesday. And we're going to talk about this system. We're going to recap the snow in BC coming.